Hey everyone, I just got this box from learningherbs.com. It's their herbal medicine making kit version 3. It's supposed to come with all the herbs and jars and just everything you need in order to make tinctures, salves, syrups, just about everything. And it also comes with instructional DVDs and things like that to let you learn how to make all the basics, so then from there you can just create all your own creations from whatever herbs you have on hand. So I figured I'd open it on video for you. So here we go. Nothing left in the box. Alright, so here it is, Herbal Medicine Making Kit. Make your own home remedies kit. Contains dried herbs, supplies, and DVD with written instructions to make echinacea tincture, healing herb salve, nourishing herbal infusions, and elderberry syrup. From learningherbs.com. Let's see what's inside. That looks pretty nice. This is the DVD. Begin watching this DVD. This is the instruction guide. Looks pretty nice. It's all done in color with all the photos. Shows you how to do everything. Herbal basics. Oh, this is that board game that they sell. It looks pretty fun. I'd like to try that sometime. I love board games. So these are all the bunch of different herbs. It tells you all about them. Botanical name, family, parts used, properties used for, extraction methods. It's pretty neat. And here we go. Here's the herbs. Nettle. Herbs for the salve. That's a nice little blend there. Calendula, comfrey, St. John's wort, plantain. The jars for the bottles for the tinctures with the drippers on them. Cloth for straining. These must be for the salves. All the jars already have stickers on them, so you can write down the date, what's inside. It's pretty nice. Oh, this is the beeswax for the salve, so you use this to just bind everything together, so it just all comes together as a nice cream, so you can spread it on your skin. More jars. Elderberries for the syrup. Looks pretty neat. I've never seen elderberries up close before like that. And echinacea root for the tincture. And that looks like it. Got some stickers. Oops. Alright, well that's it. Just wanted to show you everything that came in this kit. If you're interested in making tinctures or salves or syrups or anything any kind of homemade concoctions, you should definitely give this a try from learningherbs.com.